Title Governor vetoes California bill requiring human drivers in autonomous trucks. California Governor Gavin Newsom has vetoed a bill that aimed to mandate human drivers in self-driving trucks, sparking controversy. The legislation would have prohibited self-driving trucks over 10,000 pounds from operating on public roads without a human driver. Union leaders and truck drivers argued that this bill would protect jobs, estimating a potential loss of 250,000 positions if automated trucks took over. Lorena Gonzalez Fletcher, head of the California Labor Federation, expressed shock over the veto, emphasizing the safety concerns associated with driverless trucks. She accused regulators of favoring tech companies over worker safety and employment. Governor Newsom defended his decision, citing existing regulations and collaboration between state agencies to ensure autonomous vehicle safety. Critics contended that self-driving cars have not posed significant safety risks compared to human-driven vehicles, and that automation could enhance transportation efficiency. The veto comes amid ongoing debates about autonomous vehicle risks and their impact on the workforce, raising questions about the future of automation in the trucking industry. This report was compiled by the Super News team. Conclusion. The vetoed bill underscores the delicate balance between embracing autonomous technology and preserving jobs. It's a reminder that as automation advances, we must consider the societal implications and ensure safety while embracing innovation. Subscribe to Super News for more updates and share our content with friends. Don't forget to enable notifications for our latest videos.